A lot of people don't realize that Canva isn't just for designs. You can actually create fully functional forms inside it. And what makes this even more interesting is that there are two completely different ways to do it depending on how much control or automation you want. So in this video, I'm going to show you both methods for creating Canva forms, from using ready-made templates to generating one using Canva AI. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly which method to use based on your needs. So let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the manual method. Head over to your Canva account and click Create on the left-hand panel. Then choose a canvas size that matches your project. Once you have your blank canvas, go to Elements and scroll down until you see the Forms section. Inside, you'll find different types of ready-made form templates depending on your use case. There are business forms that focus on collecting contact details like emails, education forms for things like tutorials or school activities, event forms for invitations, and general purpose forms that you can use for surveys, product feedback, or anything else. There are also some simple forms that don't follow a specific category but can still be useful for quick data collection. If you want to use one, just click on any form and it will instantly appear on your canvas. Now to customize it, select the form, then go to the floating toolbar and click Edit. Instead of editing directly on the canvas, a panel will appear where you can modify everything. From here, you can change the questions, add or remove fields, and even set certain questions as required so users won't be able to submit the form without answering them. This is especially useful if you need specific information like emails or names. You can also adjust the design by changing the colors, corner rounding, borders, and even the font style to match your branding. Once you're done, click Share, generate a public view link, and copy it so you can send it to others. Now let's move on to the second method, which is a more advanced and automated approach. When I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked, most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets. Go back to your Canva homepage and click on Canva AI from the left-hand panel. Once it opens, activate Canva Code so it can generate the form for you. Then in the prompt bar, simply ask it to create a Canva form and include all the details you want, like the purpose of the form and the specific fields you need. If you want to learn how to write better prompts for this, we have a separate video linked in the pinned comments. Once Canva finishes generating your form, open the datasheet connected to it first so everything is properly linked. Then go back to your design and publish it as a website. After that, copy the link so you can share it with others. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Whether you choose to build your form manually or generate it using Canva AI, you now have two powerful ways to collect information directly inside Canva. In the next videos, we'll explore more advanced use cases and workflows, so stay tuned if you want to get even more out of Canva. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.